You're no good for me, but I'll fight. The voices keep on getting louder, and I don't talk back. You were right, fucking up my whole life. Only fucking one night. We're fucking sorry, there's nothing I can do, right? I give you my heart, but it meant nothing. Take it till I fall, so I feel something. I'm sorry, I know I can't change a thing.
Right, we've made it to the exclusive meet. It's probably been about, what, 5 months since the last meet? We're at a new location. Man like Charlie here, got man like Bailey here as well.
This time it's static only meets.
Yeah, it's static only, we'll see about that. Charlie, what do you think of the new leather door cards?
Oh shit. Better. What are we looking at?
New leather door cards.
Can't fucking see.
Wow.
Right boys, let's fucking have it. Yeah man.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
That is proper fucking drift spec.
yeah. Is that a super?
Yeah.
What are you saying about wood?
We've seen this so many times. It's so clean.
That's why you're here, it's your turn as well. Yeah, come on, step on. Fucking team equality on that. What is that? What is that? Fashion.
Best in the game. Best in the game.
Oh yeah, only the best. It's too small for you, innit? Lift your arms up. Fuck off. Go on, lift your arms up. Go on.
Considering he's got a drink, that's seriously.
We're out of Jackfest as well. What we've got going on here then?
I'm gonna do operation.
Is it? Doing operation? It's operation time.
It's gonna be wheel transplant.
Wheel transplant.
It's gonna be dangerous. Oh, we're gonna get hit in fucking brakes. Only 2 days old.
Wheels are changed. Triple Z wheels are swapped over. It will soon be drift time.
Yeah, work together. You have to get. It's part of the work rule.
Everybody's went down the wrong road. Yeah, everyone's currently doing fucking U-turns. It is mayhem right now. Anyone that followed a map has gone the wrong way. Anybody that followed each other has gone the right way. Right, so we've made it to second location, but we parked down a dead end, which is a bit dodge. None of us are liking being parked down a dead end. Does that make you feel better? Yeah, we're not happy with parking up here. We don't want to get blocked in and nicked. So we're going to move slightly further down the road. Well, to be fair, there's no fucking parking here anyway, is there? There's nowhere to park. So we all got a bit separated at the fucking separated trying to get out of the place. We went one way, Charlie went the other way, Bailey went one way. We've managed to link up, but yeah.
Any longer for Bailey, he's taking too long, so I'm just going to make my way to the left of the roundabout and let him know.
I think we might be here for a while, you know?
I want to get out of this dead end, bro.
Do you reckon it's worth me getting things for you if I step out?
You what? Right, I think Raz is going to go out on foot to the roundabout and see what's going on, so. Got a spare wheel? Yeah. Probably just move this.
drifting, bro.
I just saw it from a fucking distance. Is everything all good?
Oh yeah, fuck.
Oh, fuck it.
Ain't that bad.
Nah, I'll be alright. It's a bit dark. We're theory 6 minutes out from the next location, but we're a little bit trafficked up. Yeah, I think it might be a night in a minute, you know, but we'll see how it goes. Right, Charlie's just spotted a police car. We're dipping.
We're fine.
Yeah, we're alright. We're the most legal people here.
I'm not even worried.
Nah.
I'm happy just waiting in my car. No one else is going anywhere anyway.
Nope. Just sitting and chilling.
Just wait for it to clear out.
Yeah, what is this kid doing?
He's going to see. Not a bad idea. Might just sit on this though. You know?
Yeah, might as well. Right, traffic's starting to die down now. I think we're going to hang around for a little bit. Wait for it all fuck off, then we'll probably head home. But that's about going to do it for today's exclusive meet. Did enjoy? Make sure to leave a like. Let me know down below your favourite car from the meet, favourite skid off, whatever.
This guy's gonna have to do a whole nother outro just for the fact that there's so much fucking noise.
Yeah, he's not wrong. Make it work. But yeah, be alright. Right, yeah. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, take care.